I've got a search and rescue mission to do. I lost my drone yesterday. Have you ever seen a canal like that? Don't you want to wake up like this every day? That is crazy blue. Oh, look at that. Welcome to vlog 11. My name is Max. I'm in New Zealand right now, driving around the South Island for a month. I'll be moving on to Lake Pukaki and Mount Cook. Before I do that, I've got a search and rescue mission to do. I lost my drone yesterday. It's probably landed somewhere in the forest next to the lake. You always get the wind warnings, but this time they were not to be ignored. Let's put it like that. Be a tedious mission. I don't think I'll find it. So this is where I was filming, and then it flew all the way. The wind was horrible. It flew all the way over that forest. Managed to install this software and actually find that it landed pretty close to here, so I should be able to find it maybe. The mission has started. I approached it tactically. This man was quite interested in helping me out, so he'll be helping me search. Oh, what a day. I don't think he can drive. I can, but can he? Let me see if I can open the fence for him.
I'll walk.
Yeah, you walk?
Yeah, no worries.
Alright. So I made a screen recording, you should be able to see it, but it's that's a little fun mission, isn't it? Somewhere around there, a little bit close to that trees. I was actually quite close to it already yesterday. Let's have a look. We found it!
Everything works.
Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, mission success. I actually found it. Needs a bit of glue, but nothing a bit of glue can fix. Maybe a spare part. I actually can't believe I found it. DJI Assistant 2 allows you to download the log files, and then you can view the log files with a GPS viewer. Quite detailed, easy to find. Do recommend. Can't believe I found it. So cool. So, mission success. Moving on to Lake Pukaki. Everything is just booked. So a bit of difficulty finding a spot, but it's about 45 minutes away. Should be a good drive. Let's get to it. That is crazy blue, crazy blue. Wow. The water is so blue because of glacier flower. Particles of the glacier, so the little rocks that are grounded from the glacier, end up in the lake, and they only reflect green and blue light. Wow. Lake Pukaki. On to the campsite. It said on Google Maps that it was quite difficult to find. Have you ever seen a canal like that? I haven't. Another fun fact is that Pukaki means gathered around or surrounded by, because the lake is surrounded by mountains. So cool name, cool name. That must be it. Cool spot. I like it. I hope it's not too windy again. Lake Poaka. I'll set up camp. Good morning. Don't you want to wake up like this every day? Beautiful. Good night of sleep. Check the wind prediction this time. I'm near Mount Cook, and I haven't seen Mount Cook yet because it was always covered in clouds. So on a good day, you can see it from Christchurch, 200 kilometers away. On a bad day, you can stand next to it and don't see it. The plan for today is to simply drive as close as I can to Mount Cook to see it. After that sightseeing, I'll head to Round Bush Camp, which is a campsite next to another lake. Love lakes. A bit to the west because I'm heading to Wanaka, stay at a family's place. So that will be nice. Looking forward to that. Let's do some sightseeing. Impressive. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Waterfalls. So impressive. It's the same feeling as in the Alps. You just feel so small driving through this. Nature is not to be messed with. So Mount Cook is supposed to be behind there, but still behind the clouds, so can't see it. So yeah, unfortunate. That was impressive. Moving on to Lake Koala, Poaka. Moving on to the lake where the campsite is. I had never seen a glacier in my life before, in real life. I mean, it's all melting, of course. Tasman Glacier. After I've been in Wanaka, the goal is to go to Milford Sound. I'm so excited for that. That's going to be amazing. You might have seen the engine check light come on. There's always something, isn't it? Well, I'll figure it out later. It's not really sunny. Well, it's sunny, but it's also raining. It's a bit weird. I hope it clears up a bit later. But, cool spot. I like Lake Ōhau. Well, there it is. Wow. Round Bush Campsite. Wow, what a spot. And it stopped raining too. Should I put it up next to the lake? I think I will. Alright, I'll set up camp and that's gonna be it for this video. I loved all the comments. So in the next one I'll be going to Wanaka and, well, try to fix my drone and I'll have a look at the engine check light. Well, See you.